What is going on, my YouTube friends? Man, we got things rocking and rolling now, baby. We're going to be moving along. Yes, we are. It is Christmas vacation. I am just so happy, and I am so excited to start working on this Fairmont and start getting some things done. We're going to take it off the rotisserie. We're going to have, just a lot of stuff are going to be happening here over the vacation. So I think that hopefully, we can get this fuel line ran and get everything done and get this thing down. Actually, I'm not putting it on the floor. I'll be putting it on some jack stands, but I got to get it off the rotisserie because I'm probably going to be mounting the fuel pump to the back bumper. And I got to put the bumper on the car so I can get it all mocked up. Make sure everything fits, and make sure everything's in line, and just getting her done. Oh yeah, baby. So we got pretty much all of our fuel feedings. We got everything, I think. I think we're good to go, man. I think we're good to go. I'm excited. And I hope you guys are excited too because, we got some videos coming, man. We got some content coming with this Fairmont. Yeah, buddy. So you Fairmont lovers, get ready, baby, because we're going to start rocking and rolling. Let's turn this around. As you can see, man, I got rid of the tires. We got everything all cleaned up. Four-wheeler's actually outside, but we got this thing going, man. I had to put a light up there because I had a light burn out. So here's the headers. They're on a piece of wood, so they're okay. So now I can move the Fairmont over and we can drop it back down on the jack stands. And when I take it off the rotisserie, I will videotape it. I've been asked to videotape it by Mark and a couple other people. They want to see how I'm going to get this off the rotisserie. And it's not very hard. It's not very hard at all. We'll use our jacks and we'll get her done. We'll get this thing down on some jack stands so I can put the back bumper on and we can mock up the fuel pump and everything so that way we can start running the lines and get that up on there. So the brake line, I was talking to Sublime and he was talking about the brake line. The brake line is on the inside of the car and it runs against the rocker on the inside of the car. So it has one coming out the back, for the rear, and then the one for the front for the hook up and go into the front and hook everything up. So the brake line won't be so hard to do. And I got one that goes across the top of the firewall right here. It goes across here too for the brake line. So we get that, but yeah, we're gonna start getting this thing. Yeah, buddy, we're gonna start getting this thing together. I'm getting really excited. Really excited. Aren't those headers pretty? Come on, tell me how pretty those headers are. So yeah, so the back bumper is gonna go right here. And I gotta put it on so I can make sure that the bumper and everything is gonna be, fit good and everything for that. So we'll get all that done. And this is in the way for me to put the bumper on, so I'm gonna have to take it off the rotisserie. I'm gonna have to do it. And this is the back bumper right here. So I'll probably be mounting it, this is the driver's side actually, but on the passenger side, I'll be mounting it to this right here. So it should be pretty sturdy. So we just gotta make sure that we have enough room between that and right here. I measured it and it seems like we're gonna be really close. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So, and then we'll run the lines, and I'll run the lines along the car, and we'll get that done. So, yeah, we're gonna start working on it and getting this Fairmont, baby. We're gonna start getting her in there. And I'll be honest with you, it's not really gonna take me long to run the fuel lines. Mocking it up and making sure I got all the hoses and everything, that's the hard part. But once I get it all mocked up, I can actually put the engine and trans in there. So I ain't promising anything, but we may drop the engine in it too and get all that mocked up and lined up and ready to go. Hook the headers up, you know. Because more than likely, I'll probably be pulling the engine and trans out more than once. But that's just the way it goes when you're building these cars. Yeah, ain't that a pretty sight right there? Yes, it is. So, okay, let me turn this back on. Yeah, buddy. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm excited. I'm excited. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. You know, my grandson, he'll be helping me out here as soon as he gets out of school. I kind of got out of work a little early today. It's just a ton of fun, man. I mean, I got stuff going on, man, with this Fairmont, you know. So I mean, the biggest thing right now is getting her off the rotisserie. And yes, I'll film those. I'll get that, and we'll get all that, and you know, and I'm excited. I'm really excited, and I'm hoping we got everything. I'm pretty sure we do. I mean, I've drew it out and everything else. So hopefully we're going to be rocking and rolling here soon. And I'd really like to set that motor and trans down in there and make sure all that's lined up and straight. The headers set, maybe hook those up. We'll see, man. But I'm going to tell you something. I appreciate each and every one of you because you guys stuck with me on this Fairmont build for 10 years, man. 10 years. It's been on rotisserie for 7. So this thing's going to come off the rotisserie. That's huge. You know what I mean? Because it sat on a rotisserie for a couple years with no suspension or nothing underneath it. So we are moving along slowly, but we're moving along. But I think things are going to start speeding up because I want to hear this engine run, baby. Oh, yeah. So anyhow, I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you so much for sticking with me on this Fairmont build. And my new subscribers, old subscribers, you guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. And anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great day, night, whatever it is, time you watch this, man. I appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, buddy. But we're going to get some things rocking and rolling in Mr. Mach 1's garage. Yes, we are.